Hello everyone, welcome back to SoftwareHope channel. I am Devendra Gupta. In today's video, I will discuss photo management software that can be help to organize your photos collection. Let's dive to important feature, and then after that we talk about how to install the software and how to manage, how to use this software. Guys, first standout feature is to detect the duplicate photos automatically, allow you to easily remove them manually. Another one of the most remarkable feature is face recognition system. Face recognition system is once you give the name of the some face, and this software automatically detect all photos which are similar to that face which you are assigned. It automatically recognize all faces and collect all photos in one places. This feature is similar to just like Google Photo, but advantage of this software is no need internet, because in Google Photo needs internet and it's work on web only, and this software is work on PC and laptops. It's work on offline. But once you install this software, there is no need of internet and other things. Guys, one of the most important feature is also in there. This software also allow you to create a family tree for your photos, and in that you can create the family tree. This software also ability to import all photo from your mobile device to your system. The best part about this software is it's offer the free and paid version. Free version come with some limitation, while paid version offer the additional features. Guys, let's go to our laptop screen. Guys, I came to my laptop screen, and this is the Tone Photos website. And here simply click the free download button, and after clicking on that, here choose your operating system. Once you selected your operating system, simply click on download button and simply download it. My operating system is Windows, that's why I am selecting here Windows button. See here, downloading is completed. Now simply double click, your installation process will be start. Guys, if you have a license key, then here simply click on activate serial number. If you don't have a serial number, then simply select the all checks and go for use free version. Once you selected all checks, then free button will be activated. If you want to select the location of photo, then you can select, otherwise click on done. And here select your UI theme. Here I will select dark mode. Guys, after selection of UI, see here it's suggesting to download the CUDA library. This library made by the Tone Photos, and after installation of this CUDA library, your photo processing will be increased and your photo synchronized fast, and recognition of photo also will be increased. Let's download this CUDA library. You don't need to go anywhere. Simply click on this download button of the CUDA library. Once you click this button, this software automatically redirect to you on Tone Photos download section. In download section, go downward side and see here CUDA library for Windows and download it. This additional library only work on Windows. I have already downloaded. Let's download again. File size of this library is 951 MB. You have to keep this much space in your system. See here, my downloading is completed. Open the folder and simply right click on that file. Click on open. Once you open it, your CUDA library installation will begin. Guys, keep one thing in mind. After installation is completed, you must to restart the application once. Otherwise, your CUDA library will not work. See here, I am again open the Tone Photos. See here, 9 minutes are still visible on left side. Scanning still on. See, all photos are in my system. All of them are visible here. All those photos, wherever they may be in any folder, will be automatically detected and display in this folder wise in this software. Even if you go to the event tab, you will see all photo event wise, which photo where click when, and they are organized according to the date. If you navigate to the location tab, all photo tag identifiable location will be displayed there accordingly. Let's go to album tab. After clicking on the album tab, select all photo you want to include in album. Then right click and choose add new album. To create new album, containing those selected photo. Let's move to people tab. Still I don't have any people face and recognition. We will choose a photo that has someone face in it. Then this software will be find the face and group together all other faces that looking similar to it in one place. See here I have selected one photo, and if you see in right side there is one question. Just right click on this face and add a new person. After adding that person name, all photo automatically detected which are similar to that face. Guys, if you feel that all photos are not there, then what you have to do? Simply go to file menu, go to suggest new person, click it, and here see, do you know this person? If you know, then select this and add the name. If you don't know, then ignore it. Simply ignore it. If you want to delete it, then click to delete. If you know this person, then you have select this is and select the name of that person, and that's it. After repeating this process once or twice, all photo will be gathered in one place. You will notice here that your photo count has increased. By selecting the image here, you can see the detailed information about where the photo was clicked, as well as which mobile device are used, and all metadata you can see here. Guys, this software has lot of features. You will enjoy it if you download and install it. Right now I have told only one feature. If I had covered all features, then we would have become very long. So guys, how did you enjoy this video? If you found it's helpful, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will continue to bring you more video like this. Thank you for watching, friends.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon.